Hello, it's me, Bill. I'm here again. The train behind me has finally decided to leave. So, oh yeah, we got a grain train. How cool. I think that's the third one today. $77.57. Wow. Right in front of me. Oh, that sound. Oh, all three locomotives are on high, or whatever it is, the locomotive terms. All right, let's flip around to the other side. Got more light over there. That's amazing how smooth these tracks are. Wow, what a sound. That's really beautiful, I must admit. And the sound it gives off. I can still see the one behind this train. I wonder if I'll be able to get it before it gets too dark. I always wanted to try to film trains in the dark. I don't know how this camera will react. I think we got one more. We'll see. And there it is. 491952. All right, everybody. I'm going to shut this one off and maybe wait for the next one. Everybody take care. Have a good Saturday. All right, Saturday night, I mean. Bill out.